You man, let me first tell you, if you have mattress, that is good. But to sleep hungry when you have mattress, that's wrong. Be like me. I'm going to sell my mattress to get something to eat. There is a certain people who going to say, Michael is wrong. I'm not wrong because I'm hungry. I cannot stay with my mattress when I'm hungry. I have to first get money and then satisfied and think about sleeping. I cannot stay with mattress when I'm hungry. I'm going to sell it. Be like me. There is a certain word there. Where is it? It is there. Better sleep, better dreams. Can you eat dreams? Yeah? Be like me. If you are hungry, sell all the property you have to get something to eat. Now I'm going to sell mine.